So welcome back, another set of programs using Python. So here we go, the first one called Python program to check string is palindrome or not. So there is a variable called x equal to input, enter any string. So we input the any string, and w equal to empty quotation mark here. So it's an empty variable to store the characters later on. So for I in x here, so whatever values are there inside the x variable here, so getting into I here, then there is a temporary variable, that is empty variable, like w equal to I plus w here. We keep storing all the value one by one, that means one by one all the characters. If x w equals to w, that means the string is palindrome, so hence we print here like x comma, we print it's a palindrome, otherwise else we print the string is not a palindrome. So very simple program to test whether the entered string is palindrome or not. So let us run. So the first thing, it will ask you to input any string here. Say I'm going to enter the string called welcome. So press enter. You can see the output here welcome is not a palindrome. Okay, now we'll run another one. So once again, so this time so I'm giving the string called say madam. Okay, so here you can see a madam, so madam and madm. You can read this particular string from both both directions, so it reads same. Then moving on the next example, Python program to remove vowels from a string. So there is a string here, it is a string here. So this string contains both vowels as well as consonants. So we just want to remove the vowel from this particular sentence, or you can say string. Okay, there is a function called remove vowel and a parameter called string here. Okay, so function with a parameter vowels equal to, first we define how many, 5 vowels in okay, total 5 vowels in English, and for x in string dot lower here we convert into lowers, and for that is if x in vowels, so we'll get the string here. So string dot replace, so x then blank space, that means nothing will printed. So just we have to replace the all the vowels values, and we'll print here. So printing string without vowel here. So this is the function block, and here we call the string equal to Python programming language, and remove vowel and then string. So when you run the program, as you can see the output. So here is the output of this particular program, Python programming language. Here all the vowels are removed here, or just removed from this particular entire string. So this is how we can able to remove the vowels or any characters from a given string. So then moving on next example on extracting number from a string. So in the previous example we saw extracting vowels from a string, but this example deal with the extracting number from a string. So there is a string called test string equal to Python 1 programming 2 language 3, the string I included with some number 1 2 3 numbers are there here. Okay, so they all in different place. So the first one will print as it is, the original string is test string will print as it is, the way it is entered here. Now in the next line here we're going to extract those 3 number. Right now we have a 3 number in that particular string. Result equal to a dot join. So if you use the filter here, then lambda I. So lambda example we used in the previous sessions. So it's basically a function which has any number of arguments but have only one expressions. So this will going to find out whether it contains a digit or not from this particular string. If it is yes, so keep storing all the numbers here inside the result here, and then we can able to print those number using the standard output statement, which is print. So that is strf string. So let us run the program and see the output. So here we go, here is the our original string, okay, with both alpha numerical numbers, I mean the string. But here in second line you can see those numbers are the digit string is 1 2 3. So that means these numbers are extracted and printed separately as a string. So that is how we can able to retrieve the number from or digits from the string. Then moving on the next example, a function to reverse words of a string. So there is a string is given, and that we have to reverse the entire string. So the first thing is that there is a function called reverse sentence and parameter name called string here. So first we have to split this string into number of words, like words equal to string dot split. We have to split it with one space between the each and every words. So there is another variable called reverse sentence here, then dot join reversed words. So whatever the words are there, they are all reversed here, and finally we return reverse sentence here. Then we input this thing like Python programming language as a preset value here called Python programming language, and now we call the function called reverse sentence by taking the output statement called print here with a parameter name called input. Okay, so let us run the program and see the output. So here you can see, so this is exactly opposite here. So Python programming language and output is language programming Python. So this is how we can able to reverse this string using the functions. And stay tuned to next videos for more programming. Thanks for watching.